Hello guys, welcome back. Today will be day 3 of solving our 100-day question of JEE Advanced series. Like I said wrong, 100-day JEE Advanced question series. So this would be the question today, and this question is based on functions and definite integration. Okay, like the level of this question is not very easy, but not very difficult also. Okay, like this is almost perfect with respect to JEE Advanced. So you can try this question out if you want. I will wait for a few seconds and solve it. And guys, one more thing, like I was planning in to start off, I have already started building it like the JEE Advanced PYQ series. So side by side with this, I will bring in the PYQ series also. So if these videos get delayed by just one day, don't worry, I will keep bringing them. Okay. Like I will side by side bring on the Allen solutions also, and I am also trying to solve in Samir Bansal if I want Samir Bansal calculus within a few days. Maybe I will bring in the solutions for that also. So collectively it will take some time, but don't worry. Before your JEE Advance, like when before your preparation phase of JEE Advance is over, you will have plenty of things to tackle with. Okay. So guys, you can try out this question. I will wait for a few seconds and then solve it. Okay guys, I guess now it's time for us to solve this. So we are given two functional equations, f of 1 plus x equal to 1 plus f of x, and x square f of 1 by x equal to f of x. And if the integral 0 to 1 dx by root f of x plus root f of, not root, f of x powered 1 by 3, this is equal to n minus 6 ln 2, then the value of n equals. So let's do one thing. If we write out our functional equations, f of 1 plus x equal to 1 plus f of x, and x square times f of 1 by x is equal to f of x. Like see, one thing is, if you guys are like any person who has even little amount of something in their brains, they can easily see this equation pair and tell that f of x is equal to x. You don't have to calculate even. Okay, like I also didn't, because it's directly visible. F of x is equal to x, 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x, and x square into 1 by x is equal to x. But still, because it's a functional equation, like many a times what happens is we have some constant or something else. I don't think there will be a constant, but still, because we have taken an assumption, like this is our assumption, right, that f of x equal to x, still an assumption, because although we can put it in the equations and cross verify, but still we are not sure about it. Surety is when we solve them and then find, but this is still an assumption. So what I am going to do is I will prove this, that this is correct. Okay, so there's no heat. So let's take one function g of x, which is equal to f of x minus x. Okay, now if we find out g of 1 plus x, this thing will be equal to f of 1 plus x minus of 1 plus x. Okay, I am changing the page guys because I have no space here. Okay, and f of 1 plus x, from here we can put it as 1 plus f of x from this expression minus of 1 plus x. So this thing comes out to be, I guess, f of x minus x, which is equal to g of x. So from here actually g of 1 plus x is coming out to be equal to g of x, which is very correct with respect to our equation. And second thing is, if we put it in this next equation, x square times 1 by x plus g of 1 by x, this thing is equal to x plus g of x, which implies that g of x is equal to x square times g of 1 by x. So pertaining to this and this, f of x is like, I guess I don't need to go into the explanation for this because things are pretty clearly visible. Okay, if you actually see these two equations, you will automatically understand that this thing proves our fact that f of x will be equal to x for all x belonging to real numbers. So guys, I guess now we can do one thing. We can directly go into solving the integral, which was given to be integral 0 to 1 dx by root f of x plus cube root f of x. Okay, so this will be actually integral 0 to 1 dx by root x plus cube root x. Okay, so I am changing the page and evaluating. Okay, so guys, in this particular place, what we are going to do is we'll do a small substitution, and that is, I will do it. We are actually going to substitute t power 6 as x. So you will get 6 t power 5 dt as equal to dx. I hope you can understand why. So this thing becomes integral 0 to 1 6 t power 5 dt whole divided by your t cube plus t square. So this thing is pretty easy to evaluate. If we do a small cancellation of t square, this thing will become 6t cube by t plus 1 dt. And now what we are left over is with 6 times integral 0 to 1, and t cube, actually you can write it as t cube minus 1 plus 1. So what you will get is t cube minus 1 by t plus 1 will come out to be t square minus t plus 1. Or wait, not t cube minus 1 plus 1. It is actually t cube plus 1 minus 1, because t plus 1 is here. Like, you will write this t cube as t cube plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so you will have t square minus t plus 1, and after that minus of 1 by t plus 1 dt. So guys, this thing becomes 6 times of t cube by 3 minus t square by 2 plus t minus ln mod t plus 1. And if we calculate this thing, I will change the page and calculate. Okay, so guys, this is from 0 to 1, and if we calculate this thing, this is coming out to be 6 times of 1 by 3 minus half plus 1 minus ln mod 2, or not mod, like it's ln 2 only, and rest of it I guess goes to 0. So what you will get is, I guess, 6 times of 1 by 3 minus half. Okay, let's do 1 minus half first. So 1 minus half is half. So 1 minus half is plus half. That means 1 by 3 plus half will come out to be 5 by 6 minus ln 2. So this comes out to be 5 minus 6 ln 2. And our question said this is equal to n minus 6 ln 2. Okay. So guys, I guess our correct option for this question will be, not option actually, correct value for this question will be n equals to 5. This is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So this question is done, guys. Like, not easy, but very relevant to JEE Advanced. And see, one thing is, you might be very lucky in this particular case, because here f of x is directly equal to x, so you might be very lucky. But in other places, don't blindly keep f of, like, you got some question where you put x and it is coming, don't blindly do that. Okay, at least once, like here I cross verified using g of x, at least once cross verify and then only proceed, because you don't know what, it's a JEE Advanced question, right? So regardless, you don't know what surprises might be inside. Anyways guys, this is the end of our day 3, and don't worry, I will be, maybe, I don't know, I maybe will be bringing one question on coordinate in the next videos. So that's it for today, guys. If you have liked my content, please do like, share and subscribe. Any doubts, come into the comment section. And that's the video for today. Thanks for watching.